What's up, YouTube? This is Thomas from Thomas Invest and thank you for watching. Today I want to talk about TakeTwo Interactive, ticker symbol TTWO. In this video I will give a short introduction of what TakeTwo Interactive does and a fundamental analysis. Remember to always do your own research and never fully trust on what I or other YouTubers say about a stock. I'm not a financial advisor and this content is just for entertaining purposes only. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a video. I also appreciate an early thumbs up, which helps me within the YouTube algorithm. For now, let's dive into it. So, what does TakeTwo Interactive do? TakeTwo Interactive is a leading developer, publisher and marketer of interactive entertainment for consumers around the globe. They develop and publish products through the labels Rockstar Games, 2K and Private Division, as well as Social Point, a leading developer of mobile games. The products are designed for console systems such as PlayStation, Xbox, personal computers, smartphone and tablets. Some popular games are GTA, Red Dead Redemption, Borderlands, Max Payne and some other titles which you see here. Now that we have a clear image of what Take-Two does, it's time to check some fundamentals, starting off with the PE ratio. The PE ratio stands for price to earnings ratio. You want this number below 20. If you really feel confident about the growth of the company in the future, this number can be around 30. Take-Two has a PE ratio of 41. I think this is too high for a company. But I think when the PS5 and the new Xbox series is fully released, sales will go up. GTA 5 will get a remake and we will start to see some teaser for GTA 6. The PE ratio is too high at 41, but I'm willing to pay a bit more for this company. Next up is the profit margin. We can calculate this by dividing net income by total revenue. Take-Two has a profit margin of 16%. This is above 10, which is the lowest it should get for a company. So, very nice. The next thing I want to talk about is the revenue growth. We will check the revenue growth over the past 5 years and check the pattern we see in these 5 years. Take-Two has a nice revenue growth over the past 5 years as we see in this chart. They show some nice and steady growing with an average of 23% annually. Since 2016, the revenue grew about 116%. Next up is profit growth. We take a look at the net income over the past 5 years. In this chart, we see some steady growth in the profit. In 2016, they have a negatively net income. After 2016, we see a steady growth. Another thing to discuss are the shares outstanding. You want this number to be decreasing every year, so you will own more of the company in ratio. For example, if the company has 10 shares outstanding and you own 1 share, you own 10% of the company. If the company issue 5 more shares, they have 15 shares outstanding, but you still only have 1 share, meaning you own 7% of the company. Take-Two does issue more shares in the recent 5 years. A reason to do so are acquisitions. So, they acquire a new company and more shares are issued. Not a major problem in my opinion, because those takeovers will lead to more revenue and a broader portfolio of games. Since 2018, they didn't issue more shares. So this is a good sign to me. But we need to be fair, they issue more shares in the past 5 years. With the current ratio, we want to check if they are capable of paying all the current liabilities with the current assets. We want this number to sit around 2.0, where 1.5 is the absolute minimum for me personally. The current ratio of Take-Two is sitting around 1.8. This is not the number I like to see, which is 2. But as long as it is above 1.5, I'm fine with it. So, my conclusion is that I think this is a very interesting company. There are some big games coming in the next 1 to 2 years, and the new PS5 and Xbox series will definitely contribute to a higher revenue growth for Take-Two. Because new games are released and the older games will be remastered. I just bought some shares this week and I'm feeling really confident about this company. But remember to always do your own research and never fully trust on what I or other YouTubers say about a stock. I'm not a financial advisor and this content is just for entertaining purposes only. I hope you liked this video and I did bring some insights of the company to you. I would really appreciate a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.